I know exactly what she's doing. That's all we have to do. I said, like, as long as... Oh, yeah, for sure.
So, I mean, you know, I'm not complaining about anything.
Yeah. Oh, watch out.
But yeah. So anyway, look. No, I didn't even mean for you to have to explain yourself. Like, please don't feel that way. Yeah. Yeah. I do feel a lot better, actually. You know, I mean, I really don't like to be upset with each other. I'm gonna try to be better. I can't guarantee that I'm gonna feel better right away. It would make me happier if you made a pointed effort to be better about certain things instead of just being like, you're gonna be super nice all the time, so constantly reminds Mel that she's being ridiculous. No, you know what I mean. I don't know. I guess I was hoping that, well, we'd have extra time to hang out on Thursday, but we'd also have some time on Friday too. And then you just made it worse, where like, this Friday, and I was like, here's the evil dagger coming out of my house. I know,
Oh my gosh. Oh.